Want to take control of your money? Here's how to use Cash App as your personal finance tracker. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, what is a personal finance tracker? Our personal finance trackers help you to monitor your income, your spending, and savings all in one place so you can stay on top of your money. Cash App offers built-in tools and tips to help you track your finance easily. And here's how to use Cash App as a personal finance tracker. For that, launch the app on your phone. Next, check all your transactions like money sent, received, and purchases. Next, Cash App automatically sorts some transactions, but you can manually tag or note spending types like food, bills, entertainment, and then go to settings, select privacy and security, and then choose spending limits to control how much you spend weekly or monthly. And next, add notes to transactions to remind yourself what each expense was for. And lastly, look at your transaction history regularly to analyze where your money goes. And here's some tips for better tracking. First, link your bank accounts and cards for a full overview. Then, regularly update categories for accuracy. Next, use Cash App Visuals card if available. And lastly, set budgets based on your goal. And that's it. Track your spending, set budgets, and watch your savings grow all with Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.